And the Enforcement Directorate is conducting searches at 5 locations in Maharashtra. This is in connection to the Shiv Sena MP Bhavana Gauli's companies in Yavatmal, Washim. So 5 locations that are now being searched by the Enforcement Directorate. Raids in connection to Shiv Sena MP Bhavana Gauli's companies in Yavatmal, Washim. Enforcement Directorate searches that are currently on at as many as 5 locations is the latest news break that we are picking up in connection with the Shiv Sena MP Bhavana Gauli and Bhavana Gauli's companies. This essentially taking place in the area. 5 locations that are being searched by the Enforcement Directorate as we speak, because this is a story that yes, we've been tracking, and 5 locations being searched by the Enforcement Directorate is the latest input we are picking up as far as this news break is concerned. Firms linked to Shiv Sena MP that are under scanner. Searches being carried out given what we are seeing in this particular case by the Enforcement Directorate. We'll go across to one of our reporters as well quickly to really understand what's going on. But 5 locations as of now is a confirmation that we have of the Enforcement Directorate searching these locations. Sanika, my colleague, is joining us on the phone line with more details. Yes, Sanika, tell us.
Yes, Christine, very initial information that we have at this moment right now. What we know is that Enforcement Directorate is conducting searches at 5 locations across Maharashtra. These raids are conducted in connection with the companies of Sena MP named Bhavana Gauli, and she's an MP from Yavatmal, Washim. And these companies are believed to be based in Yavatmal, and that's where these raids are taking place, is what we are getting to know. Now, Yavatmal is a place in the eastern part of Maharashtra, and Bhavana Gauli has been an MP from Yavatmal Washim constituency, and very initial and sketchy information that we're getting that there are raids conducted by the Enforcement Directorate. Her companies are under scanner. The details of the investigation that is being carried out, Shravan, our senior associate editor, would be in a better position to tell us about the case that is being investigated. And we're just getting this very initial information at this moment that there are 5 locations in Maharashtra that are being raided. What we can also maybe confirm to our viewers is that the offices of these companies are being raided at this moment. And we'll wait for an official statement from the Enforcement Directorate as well so far for the status of the investigation that is being conducted so far.